Oh my gosh! Happy Thanksgiving week! Yes! It's AllyCat Castle! Well, today's makeup inspiration, guess what? Is from Thanksgiving! The holiday itself! Yes! Where there's so much for us to be thankful for. And the inspiration also is from the colors of fall and autumn. Just like the colors of the tree right behind me, which are on the brownish, mauvish, and let's just put some bronzy tones as well. And guess what? The last time that I actually did a full makeup episode was 36 episodes ago, and today is me filming my 73rd episode. So 36 plus 36 is 72. It's just crazy how everything comes in full circle. So all I'm saying is that I know that it's been a crazy year, but we're still all in this together. So whether that be you spending it with the very few people that you love, or virtually spending it with the amazing people in your life, let's play some makeup, okay? Let's begin. Love you. So before we start with everything, I already did my foundation as well as my concealer under my eyes with the same foundation, which is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 5.5, and I actually just use my fingers when I apply that. And I set my foundation as well as my under eyes with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in translucent, and I just applied it with a dry sponge. And with my eyebrows, I actually used the Bobbi Brown eyeshadows in Saddle and Mahogany using the back brush that has a flat top. I'll also include everything in the description box so you get to have a list of everything that I used today. So without further ado, let's put some colors on! So first we will be doing the eyes, and I'll be using the Milani eyeshadow primer. And I love this because there's no color in it, and I just actually want to use my ring finger once I put that on, and then you just apply that all over the lid. You can also use this as a primer before you put on your eyebrow color in case you have oily pores right on your brows. And girl, all I can say is this is my favorite drugstore eyeshadow primer. Yes! So first, we will actually be applying our transitional color, which is on the crease. The crease is actually right in between your eyelids and your brow bone. So it's this area. And we're going to do a little bit of like a rainbow effect. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to use these two colors right here. And then you're going to tap it. And then you're gonna start right on the outside going towards the inside. And girl, remember, once you do your crease color, be light-handed because you don't want that to go heavy. That's why it's called the transitional color. It's like gradient colors. There's gradual blending, yes! And then for our eyelids, we'll actually be using these two colors right here. And you're going to tap it right on the lids, which is right on this area. And girl, guess what? If we were light-handed on our crease, this is the time to be heavy-handed, yes! Because you can press it right onto the lids. Press, yes! And then we will just continue blending it with the Sonia Kashuk Blending Crease Brush. So this one doesn't have any product anymore. So we're just basically blending them together. Or marrying them together! As well as on the other side. And now we will be doing our eyeliner on our top lash line with the MAC Fluid Line and Black Track using the MAC Small Angle Brush. And girl, this is the time to take your time because you want that perfect line, yes! And it's like doing little strokes, yes! And then of course, if you need to add more, just go for it. Especially when you do the top liner, you can definitely go more, yes! Because girl, we want our top liner to be more dramatic anyway. Dramatics! So now we will be doing our bottom lash line with the Pixi by Petra and the Silky Eye Pen in Black Cocoa. I love this eyeliner because it really stays, it glides on really well, and it's very affordable. And girl, once you do the bottom liner, this is the time to be medium-handed. What I mean is not too heavy, not too light. So now we will smoke out our bottom lash line with both these two colors again. And we're gonna be using the Sonia Kashuk Smudge Brush. And girl, we're doing these two colors again to basically have a good contrast with our crease color. It also makes the edges softer. And to add more drama, we will be lining our inner bottom rim of the eyes with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in Deep Onyx. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna hold your lids like this, and you're just going to do little dashes right on the inner lash line. And yes, girl, when you do your inner bottom rim, you have to put some pressure so that you can actually see the pigment go right on your inner lash line. Yes! There will be no deposit without pressure. And to add more depth on our eyes, we will be using the Trish McEvoy Vavavoom brush with these two colors right here again. Then you're gonna tap it. And girl, by doing this, our smoky comes in full circle because now it matches the top! Who wanna be on top? And of course, it's mascara time with the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black on our bottom lash line. Yes! And girl, if you actually don't have a lot of lashes, just like me, I'm Asian, we don't have much lashes, then this is a perfect mascara because it actually has a very good brush that will grip onto your lashes. So, if you accidentally put so much mascara and the brush actually went right onto the skin, wait for the mascara to dry out a little bit before you smudge it out with a dry Q-tip. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do a Q-tip and just like sweep it off like that. And voila! And of course, our eye makeup is not complete without applying false eyelashes. And I'm using the Kiss Next Gen Wispy Blowout Lash. Yes, girl! It's been a dramatic year, so let's put some dramatic lashes. Dramatic, yes! And girl, let's face it, in every situation, there's drama! For an Asian person like me who has no lashes, look what false eyelashes can do. It's like wings to your eyes. Yes, girl! Lashes is life! Do you agree with me? Yes! What's life without lashes, girl, right? And now we will do some basic contour right on the cheeks using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the color 200. So again, if you don't know where to apply your bronzer right on your cheeks, you're going to find your cheekbones, which is this right here, right? You're going to start right on the end of the cheekbone towards right here, right on the apples of the cheek. So this is the brush, and then you're gonna start right there, and you're just gonna go back and forth. Look at that! Quick and easy contour! And yes, girl! If you want a light contour, just use your bronzer! Yes! And now it's time to highlight, and we will be using the NARS Yachio brush with the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter in After Sex Glow! Oh my gosh, scandalous! So if you want to know where to highlight, you're going to apply it right on top of the cheekbones right there. So it's going to be laying down right on the cheek contour where we applied our bronzer. And girl, I love this Yachio brush from NARS because even if you're heavy-handed, it's so light onto the touch. And yes, it feels like feather onto your skin. Yes, feather! And now it's time for blush. For blush, we will be using the NARS Orgasm Blush with the Sonia Kashuk Contour Brush. And we will apply that right on the apple of the cheek, meeting towards where we did the contour. So let's do this. I'm gonna dip it right there. Another tip is you can smile. And girl, as a tip, once you get a brush, don't get something too light, don't get something too bright, get something right! Yes! And yes, girl, when you emphasize on your eyes or your lips, that is when your blush should be complementary to either one of them. And then for our lips, before we apply our lip product, we will actually be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Custom Coverage Correcting Duo in Peach Light Medium. We're going to apply that right around the lips to take out the pigment, so it will also serve as Spanx or a primer before you put on your lip color. And yes, girl! On that note, you don't want a hydrating concealer around your lip, you want something that will stay in place. You want your lips to still look fabulous while you're eating. I guarantee you, the best lip product for that is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in American Woman. It's natural, it goes with our bronzy mauve look, and this is also mask proof. So let's put it on right now. And girl, I super love this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment because it's not just mask proof, it also stays all day, perfect for the holidays. Just kidding, there's nothing in there. But look, see, the lipstick did not go there. Well, All I'm saying is, this is our look. What do you think? Well, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I want all of you to know that I know that this year has been crazy. There's so much that has happened, but we've survived. We're here. We have our family. We have our friends. And we're still standing here together. I want all of you to know that there's hope and there's always a new beginning that awaits us. And that's what Thanksgiving is all about. So many things to be thankful for. And I want you to know that I'm thankful to have met you. And we should always remember, there will always be a brighter tomorrow. To all of you, happy Thanksgiving. With so much love, AllyCat.